Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so we have a custom request for us to cut some bangs into this unit here. So that's what I'm doing. So because we have 6 inches of free parting space in the front, that gives us the space to change the part here however we want. We are Magic Hair Company, located in Culver City, California. We are a USA-based wig store, and we can definitely do any of these customizations for you per request. We do not charge additional to add bangs, cut layers, or style. So this client asked for me to cut some bangs in here. And let me actually turn this around so you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm just going to cut some simple bangs here. All of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com. And that is the only place you can find our wigs. So go to our website, magichaircompany.com, or shop with us here in our Culver City store. Our current hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. So you guys see, I'm just cleaning this part up here. Or maybe you can't see. And I'm just going to make sure that my parting up here is straight. I'm also going to make sure that the wig is straight here. Okay, so I have my part nice and straight here. And I'm just going to hold the sides back so I can not have anything mixed up here. And this is my part here. And although this looks parted here, that can easily be knocked out with our flat iron. Which actually, I'm going to cut this first. So you see the baby hair down here falling? There's baby hair around this entire hairline. And I'm just going to grab this and cut some light bangs in it. And I usually cut my bangs a little bit longer because you can always go back and cut, but if you cut too much the first time, then the wig is ruined. So this is just kind of my style of how I cut my bangs here. And this is how they're falling, like this. So now I'm just going to try to get this little part right here out by just manipulating the hair forward. And it's as easy as that to style some bangs. So we can cut your bangs for you however you like. If you want it a little fuller, I can do that. If you want them a little more wispy, I can do that. If you want them more blunt, just let me know and we can definitely cut your bangs for you however you like. All of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City store. Our wigs are not available anywhere else. All right, so you see I kind of just knocked this out here. I can probably go over it a little bit better. But you see, and you see the bangs, you can still see the scalp. And I'm just gonna do a subtle bump. Actually, just kind of keep this way. And here we go. And once I cut this lace, this will also lay much flatter. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how I cut a simple bang into one of our full lace wigs here. So as you can see, the back of this is full lace, meaning that the cap is fully ventilated, and you can part her anywhere, giving you a lot of scalp realness and natural scalp. You can literally part her anywhere. So shop with us at Magic Hair Company. We are the best front lace and full lace wig maker located here in Culver City, California. Our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City store. And now we're going to finish the custom color request. And we finished up this one and put some curls in it. But check us out at magichaircompany.com. See you soon, guys. Bye.